Hello everybody, today we are unboxing the AC and TP-Link AC600 for my new computer since its wireless power has gone. So we have to just plug this in one of the places we have to plug it in. Okay, anyways, let's just open it. Let's start opening. So you see that like a tiny place here. I'm gonna just cut it open from here. Edges. We'll go on smoothly cut. Just when I told smoothly cut, it was roughly cut. Here. Yeah, that is good. Wait. There's a TP-Link card, the drivers for the device. So this is the instruction. So let me read it. Yeah, no, I read it. This is the most.
Dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, this is the cable network. Anything else? Nah. Thank you so much. So much. That's it, cameraman. Already has the open on top. This, so we are now peeling. You have to plug it into your USB channel. So computer USB channel to make sure. It's like a snap move eating, but it can't move here, so it'll be like or this. Plug it here. Correct. That is. See that? TP-Link 5G I just connect. Oh my god. So now I'm gonna press enter. Yo. Okay. You see the internet? It just got full. It used to be like one of this. It used to be one. Okay, one. It used to be 1 or 2 or 3, but now it's become full 5. Okay, let's play again now. This used to be render very bad. I don't know why. So it's gonna load. It's just like a game which I used to play long back ago. So here. So you might be like, wow, you're here, but I'm actually there. See, I'm gonna press this stop button. Press this key. And yeah, you see I'm level 60. I am here. Okay, so we have to just nice position and okay, see, you see, it never used to be this smooth actually. It never used to be smooth. It's like ice cream cake.